Welcome to Medpace. We are a global company headquartered in Cincinnati. We work together with some of the brightest minds from around the world to help advance medical research, making a meaningful impact in people's lives.
Medpace is a fast-paced environment where we're always learning and growing together. Inside our buildings, natural light flows freely, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. We enjoy working with each other, and the open office environment encourages productive collaboration. Our conference rooms are well equipped with technology to support your meeting. Each room has a theme, like superheroes or music icons, creating a fun environment to gather together. We also enjoy a free coffee and espresso machine, tea stations, and soda dispensers in our break rooms. In our state-of-the-art labs, we work on groundbreaking science innovation to bring new therapies to patients who need help. Our IT tech hubs are conveniently located around campus for any technology support we need. Each building on campus has free parking, just a quick walk away.
We understand the importance of wellness. To help you meet your health needs, our campus has an outdoor walking path, 24/7 fitness centers with a wide selection of equipment, and free fitness classes where you can find high-quality instruction and encouragement. And to help you stay one step ahead of your health, Medpace offers flu shots, mammograms, and biometric screenings. Plus, we host an annual wellness fair, regular blood drives, and a community 5K to bring us all together to promote wellness.
At Medpace, we organize social events on campus to connect with each other in a casual setting and build stronger relationships. If you want to be part of an organization where you can evolve, advance, and make a positive impact, Medpace is the place for you.